Why doesn't anyone want to play with me?
Hi there. Would you like to play with me?
What if we get poked?
Those quills look sharp.
Let's get out of here.
Why do they always run away?
Hello, why are you so sad?
Oh, hi. I'm just feeling a bit lonely.
Why's that?
Other animals, they're scared of my quills. They run away before I get a chance to play.
I see. But you know, differences can lead to wonderful friendships. I'm not afraid of your quills.
You're not?
Nope. Everyone has something unique about them. And look, here we are, talking just fine.
I guess you might be right.
Come on, let's find a way to show everyone else too.
But how are we going to convince them?
We'll show them that having fun is more important than being afraid. Let's start with my favorite game.
What's your favorite game?
Hide and seek. I'll hide first, and you find me.
Ready or not, here I come.
You're getting warmer.
Found you.
You're really good at this.
My turn to hide now.
Ready or not, here I come. I know you're here somewhere, Tiggy.
She'll never find me here.
I think I hear a little hedgehog nearby. Gotcha.
You found me.
Your turn again, Tiggy.
Right, Mushi. I'll hide again. But this time, I'll be even sneakier.
Oh, we'll see about that, Tiggy. I have a knack for finding little hedgehogs, you know.
No peeking, Mushi.
My eyes are closed, I promise. 1, 2, 3.
She'll never find me here.
Ready or not, here I come. I think I hear a hedgehog giggling somewhere nearby. Found you, Tiggy.
You're too good at this, Mushi. Now I know that friendship can shine even in the dark.
And it makes the forest feel a little less scary, doesn't it?